What's good, y'all? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. We're about to check out Alpha Drive 1 Freak Alarm. That's what it's called, Freak Alarm. What we need to call this? Why is it called Freak Alarm? I'm okay. Anyways, let's just get into it, shall we? No extra stuff. Okay, maybe some extra stuff. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Go subscribe over there. Check out my Twitch when I do Twitch live streams. Go support the Instagram. I just run them every day. Let's check out Alpha Drive 1 Freak Alarm. I don't know why I got scared. He woke up and I got scared for a second.
I'm gonna hit the
Freak Alarm? Is that what you're gonna say?
second we walk in, everybody know. Got the place popping, boom again a sound. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm.
What that mean? What that mean though? Oh, wait, he's not using the shoot up gun.
I'm gonna hit the freak alarm.
Trying to hit the Freak Alarm?
Too much confidence now.
Confidence?
So
high? Trick or treat said? What is that? That outfits go crazy. Ooh. Hey, what's up, my boy? Was that eggs in a keychain or a cart? What the hell did I just look at? Oh. That hat go crazy though too.
Oh, give me the show, give me the show, give me the show.
Oh, he has a jackhammer? Okay, he's fair face. Sorry, I'm pausing like crazy, but like, let me just do. My boy serving face right here. He has the Evangelion shirt too. I don't know how I felt about them saying Freak Alarm though, but if y'all want to give me context in the comments, please do. Let's go, Leo. I need to get to know more of the members too. I'm very. Ooh, the black and white shots are nice.
It's so different, I can't believe it's the right time.
It's a groove too. Oh, okay with the kicks. The look up. Are they searching? It looks like the ultimate escape room.
We go on and on. Replay. I already know you're gonna like this. Oh, give me the show, give me the show, give me the show. We're burning it down. Second we walk in, everybody know. Got the place popping, boomer getting sound.
What?
I'm gonna hit
what?
I'm gonna hit the. I'm gonna hit the.
Hit the. That freak alarm. That even me. Oh. The change up is nice.
Bring it up now.
Oh. Ooh, hit that vocal. Productions go hard though. Hey. Them in all black. Hold up. Them in all black. I love wearing black, as you can see here. But them in all leather. It look like leather black. Oh Lord. Oh, what an interesting shot that was too. Oh, he gonna make me hit the freak alarm. Okay, what are you? Do they explain this? Hold up. Do they even explain this? Cause I don't want you making me hit no freak alarms. Do they explain what a freak alarm means? To be honest, I can't wait to hear more from Alpha Drive 1. I feel like this is only a couple things I've heard. I think it's like the second thing I heard from them. I know they performed at the Mama Awards. That was like my first introduction to the group as like a group. You know what I'm saying? I didn't watch the like reality show, but I just knew that Leo is a part of this group. Is he a leader? I might be mistaken. Please correct me in the comments down below. I was able to interview Leo on my podcast, Ultimate Bias Podcast. Be sure to check it out on YouTube and Spotify, Ultimate Bias Podcast. Go check out my interview. It was a good time. We got to know each other well. We got a little bromance. I don't know. It felt like he was just roasting my ass. He's a good kid though. He's a good kid. He's funny. But yeah, they're very brand new to me. I'm getting a feel of them in their music and what they're trying to, like, you know, push out little by little. But Freak Alarm, what an interesting title. Yeah, title. Like, is it a title track? Their debut? Something like that? Comment, please. Please educate me. All right, y'all. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, okay, the body roll.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.